Bonjour à tous and welcome to Learn French with Vincent. This is Unité 14, leçon M, and in this lesson we'll continue the series that we just started in the previous video concerning les conjugaisons irrégulières, and we're talking about the verbs from the first group ending with GER, okay? Because if you remember carefully, when I introduced the first group, it was a long time ago, I know, but then I said that, well, actually the first group of verbs are regular verbs, and that's true. I mean, for the endings, it won't be really a problem, but then for some subgroups, we will have some modifications, and this is one of the subgroup that we will talk about, verbs ending with GER, and we'll see the reason why we've got these modifications. I wanted to take a simple and useful verb, so it's bouger. Bouger is to move, okay? And then we will see that the tenses that will be affected by these modifications will be le présent, l'imparfait, and then le passé simple. Okay, and then we'll have this participe présent form that will be also affected by that. Okay, but then when we're talking about le présent, actually the good news is that we'll have only one form that will be affected or modified, and this is the nous form. Okay, so if you have a look, and if we would respect the rule, we should write it like nous and then B-O-U-G, so without this E here, O and S. But then let's just imagine that the E is not here. Phonetically, we would get the sound bougon, nous bougon. And then the problem is that it would be difficult to actually make a connection with the infinitive bougon, okay? And the infinitive is bouger, je, okay? So ge and je, all right? So the only way, or the only possibility that we've got to make actually this phonetical connection with this form and the infinitive is by adding this here, okay? And so when you put this here, you will get the sound bougeons, okay? And in that case, you know what verbs we are, or what verb we are talking about. Nous bougeons, all right? So it's only this nous form that will be affected at the present tense. If you're talking about imparfait, then, well, I did put this je and tu, actually, but then we will see a bit later that we'll have more forms affected by it, but then for the same reason and with the same tool, so adding this we will actually have the connection, phonetical connection with the infinitive, je bougeais, tu bougeais. All right, for the passé simple it will be exactly the same thing, so I did put this il, but then we'll see that other persons are concerned as well. Il bougea. Okay, so exactly the same thing here for the participe présent, so we will get bougeant. All right, so let's have a look now at the present form. Je bouge, tu bouges, il bouge, nous bougeons, vous bougez, il bouge. Okay, so as I said, you can see that we've got only the nous form that will be modified, because all the other forms, well, they are exactly respecting the rules of the regular verbs. And then imparfait, it will go like je bougeais, tu bougeais, il bougeait, nous bougions, vous bougiez, il bougeait. So if you look carefully, it's actually quite interesting, because nous and vous are not concerned by that, just because if you remember, when we combine G and I, we get the sound J, okay? So that's the reason why we don't need to add this here, okay? But then it's here, it's here, it's here, and it's also here for the plural, okay? Let's have a look at the passé simple now. Je bougeais, tu bougeas, il bougea, nous bougeâmes, vous bougeâtes, ils bougèrent. Okay, so if you look carefully, then it's here, it's here, it's here, it's here, and it's here. So actually there is only this il at the plural form that won't be affected or modified. Okay, so remember, le présent, l'imparfait, le passé simple, and le participe présent will be the forms or tenses that will be affected or modified. Okay, I hope it was clear. This is it. And then if you want more videos, then youtube.com/imagier. I'm also on Facebook, and it's right here. And then more material can be found at the following address, www.imagier.net. Have a great day. Bye bye.